Good morning, Daddy. Say good morning, Daddy. She woke up and what she wanted to do was clean. It's 6:20 a.m. and I just changed her diaper and her outfit, of course, because she needed it. You cleaning? You're a good girl, Aubrey. Say hi, Dada. We miss you, Dad. Ew, don't eat that. Aubrey, don't eat that. Say, Daddy, we miss you. We love you, Dad. Say hi. Can you say hi? Good job. Hi, Daddy. We love you. Now she's going to clean her toy. We need to replace the batteries still. Uh-oh. Okay, Dad, we love you. We hope you have a good time. We'll see you tomorrow.